Hello dear students, good morning and Jai Hind. Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Wagwala Borsad English Medium Standard 5th Subject Maths. Today we will learn chapter number 6, Be my multiples, I will be your factors. In previous video we had write question answers on the basis of paragraph, and also we have done activity on which cat is catching a mouse on steps. In that, either the cat catches the mouse or mouse get away. Today we will learn a new topic, multiples. First of all we will perform an activity, and then after on the basis of this activity we will learn multiples. So let's begin it. Okay, let's begin the topic. Who is Montu waiting for? Montu cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting for? There is a trick to find out. We have to read the following points, and then after we will find out for whom Montu is waiting. So let's find out. Let's read the first point. Mark with a red dot all numbers which can be divided by 2. Means we have to mark such a number that is divisible by 2. So let's find out from these boxes which are the numbers divisible by 2. So this is the first one, so we can mark it. 2 is divisible by 2 only. Another number is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. Yes. Then 6 is also divisible by 2. Then 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60. These are the number which is divisible by 2. Now next point is mark a yellow dot on the numbers which can be divisible by 3 and a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. Means we have to use here two color, yellow color for 3 number and blue color for 4 number. First of all we will find out the numbers which is divisible by 3. So let's find out. So 3 is the first number which is divisible by 3. Then 6 is the number which is divisible by 3. Then 9 is the number which is divisible by 3. Then after 12, then 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57 and 60. These are the numbers which is divisible by 3. Now and also we have to add a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. Means now we have to find such a number which is divisible by 4 and we have to put a blue dot. So let's begin it. So 4 is the number which is divisible by 4 itself. Then 8 number is divisible by 4 itself. Then 12 number is divisible by itself 4. Then 12 is the number which is divisible by 4. Then 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, then 52, 56 and 60. So these are the numbers which is divisible by 4, which I have done blue mark. Now let's solve the question answer. There are 3 questions. Let's solve one by one. First number is there, which are the boxes which have dots of all 3 colors. Now we have to find which are the boxes which have all 3 dots, that is red, yellow and blue. Which are the boxes having all 3 dots? Let's find out. So they are 12 number, 24 number, then 36 number, then 48 number and last is 60 number. Numbers which have 3 dots are 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. So these are the numbers having 3 dots on it. So now next question, what is the next question? Question number 2, what are the letters on top of these boxes? M-O-U-S-E are the letters on the top of boxes. Now next question, question number 3. Write those letters below in order. Now we have to write the letter in order. So we get answer mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Now let us do an activity to clear the concept of multiples. Now let us do an activity. The name of activity is Meow Game. What is the procedure to play this game? To play this game, everyone stand in a circle. One player call out 1. The next player who has to call out 3 or a number which can be divisible by 3 has to say meow. Instead of number, one who forget to say meow is out of game. The last player left is the winner. In this game, players are there and player has to speak a number 1, 2, 3, 4 continuously, and the player who is speaking a number 3 or number which is divided by 3, that number also he has to speak a meow. If he forget to speak a meow, instead of that if he speak the number, then he will be out of the game. So let's start to play a game.
Okay, so now we will play a game which is explained by Ketan sir, right? We will start speaking number and whenever there will be a multiple of 3, we will speak meow. Okay, so Kunal sir will start first.
1,
2,
Meow. 4.
5,
meow,
7,
8. Meow.
10,
11,
meow.
12.
So now as Harsha sir spoke 12 and that is multiple of 3. What we have to speak? Meow. So now Harsha sir is out from the game. Now remaining students remaining people will continue with the game. And where we stop? With 12. So what is after 12? 13. So from 13 we will continue. Yes sir?
13.
14,
meow,
17. So as I spoke 17, right? I will be out from the game. Now this remaining student will continue with the game. Okay.
16.
17,
meow. So I am the winner of this game. Okay, instead of 18 I will speak here meow. So here I will be winner. Understood about this game? You understand about this activity? You can play this activity at your home.
In this activity, we have learned the multiples of 3. Which are the multiples of 3? Let's write here. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and it goes on. So by this way you can also find multiples of any number. You can also play game with taking another number. Suppose you take a 4 number, so you have to take at that time you have to speak 4 number and its multiple. At that time you have to speak meow instead of 4. So by this way you can take any number and you can play the game. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Same way we want to write the multiples of 4, then which are they? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and it goes on. What are the multiples of 10? Let us write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So you can also find the multiples of any number by playing this game. Or if you know the table of particular number, then also you can write easily the multiples of that particular number. Hope you have understood about multiples. Thank you.